Today we're showing you a range of tools. I'm going to start with the spade from Bulldog. They're junior tools, they're just about right for his height. Now I'm going to show you how to dig. Look, watch. I put my boot on and you push it down into the ground, some foot, and lift it up and turn it and just chop it like that. So there, your turn to dig. Down, push hard, that's it. That's better. You've got a lot of garden to dig, so you better keep going. And you can see really that if you get a range of tools that aren't designed for juniors, they can be taught how to actually garden properly, with a spade, with a fork, with a rake, and then hoe the garden as well. So what do you think of it?
Good!
So they are. That's the range, Bulldog Junior Tools. Don't forget, subscribe to World Radio Gardening Kidz.
This is Kidz Gardening with Bulldog Tools.
Right, so you've dug an area here, and all you have to do is gently rake like that, and you push it and rake backwards and forwards to get it raked. Now see if you can use it. Gently forward, don't dig, just gently backwards, that's it. Rake it to get it level. You don't need to dig down, just bend your back a little bit and rake. That's it. How are you getting on, alright?
Yes!
Right, there. That's another great tool from Bulldog Junior Tools.